Assalamualaikum dear students, hope everyone is fine. Today in this topic we are going to learn any decimal number multiply by 10, by 100 and by 1000. The easiest way is to when we multiply a decimal number with the 10, so the easy way is to get rid of this decimal by writing 1 for the decimal and 0 for each digit. Multiply 10, so 10 will cancel with 10 and resultant is 4. So this is easy to write such questions. The next question is 0.32. When multiply with 10, repeat the same thing. Get rid of the decimal by writing 1 for the decimal and 0 for each digit. So 1 0 will cancel with 1, 32 by 10, and 0 is for the 2, 1 is for the decimal. So 3.2 is the answer. Hope this is the easiest way. You will understand, you will not face any difficulty. So here you can see that get rid of the decimal by writing 1 for the decimal, 0 for each digit. 10 will cancel with 10, so result is 52. Now multiplying 0.3 with 100. When we multiply, again get rid of the decimal, writing 1 for the decimal and 1 digit, so 1 0. 1 0 cancel, so 3 multiplied 10 is 30. 30 we will write here. So the next is 0.75. When multiply with 10, again getting rid of the decimal, 100 we will write, 1 0 cancel, so 75 by 10 is left, 0 for the 5, 1 for the decimal, so 7.5 is the answer. Now we got this 260s, 2.66 multiply with the 100. Again writing 1 for the decimal, 2 digits means 20. 100 cancel with 100, 266 is the answer. Now the last part, 0.9 multiply with 1000. Get rid of the decimal by writing 1 for the 0. Cancel 1 0, 9 is 200 is 900. 5.2 multiply with the 1000. Repeating the same act again and again. 1 0 cancelling. 52 with 100 means both 0 will accompany 52. It's 5200. Now we got 2.09 to be multiplied with 100. Get rid of the decimal. 100 cancel, so 209 is the answer. Now after multiplication we are to divide some numbers. So this question number 1 for the division, you can see that dividing these numbers. In the first question we can see when 0.7 divide by 10, so get rid of the decimal. Now we will take reciprocal of division is multiplication, and 10 by 1 reciprocal will be 1 by 10. So 7 ones are 7 by 10, 10 become 100. 1 0 is the first 0 for 7, second 0 nothing means 0 will be there for 1 decimal point, so 0.07 is the answer. And the next part is 23.1 divide 10. So 10 will divided by 10, so decimal is eradicated, and reciprocal of division is multiplication, and it will be 1 by 10. So 231 by 10, 10, 100. First 0 for 1, second 0 for 3, and then decimal. So 2.31 is the resultant. 2.31. 76 divided by 100, rather 76 divided by 10. So 76 divided by 10 we can write in this format. 0 is for the 6 and 1 for the decimal. 7.6 is the answer. We got 21 divided by 100. So 21 by 100 we can write in this way. 0 for 1, 0 for 2 and point. So 0.21. This is how we will get the answer so easily. We got 976 divide 100. So 976 divide 100 we can write in this format, A or B format. Zeros for the 6, 0 for 7, for 1 we will put a decimal, so answer is 9.76. Then we got 503 divided by 100. So write them in the format of A by B in a fraction form. 0 for the 3, 0 for 0 and 1 decimal. So 5.03 is the answer. Then we got 470 divided by 1000. So dividing it, we will write them simply comparing the zeros and decimal there. So 0.47, 0, the end 0 if you don't write doesn't matter. So 0.47 even you can write as an answer. We got 6354 divide 1000. So write them in a fraction form. First 0 for 4, second for 5, third for 3 and decimal. So 6.354. 6.354 is the answer. The last part of this question is divide by 1000. So we will write them. First of all, get rid of this decimal. And reciprocal of division is multiplication, 1 by 1000. So 42,372 divided by 3 and 2 5 zeros. 3, 4, 5 zeros and 1. 0 for this, for this, for this, for this and decimal. So 0.42372. So this is the answer. Quite big answer. I will write it here. 14237. Is the answer. Okay. So with this, our session is ended. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like my videos.